Hey guys, I'm Erica from Northern California. Installing a hitch on your Mazda 3 can take you to some really fun places like camping and bike riding. It can also tow a U-Haul trailer to just about anywhere in North America. Let's break this easy install down. You will need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Let's go ahead and prep the underbody of the vehicle. On the driver's side frame rail, we're going to be using these attachment holes right here and right here. Now on the passenger side, we're going to be using these attachment holes right here and right here. Now we're going to put the hardware into place. We're going to use the carriage bolt and block with the fish wire. We're going to go ahead and feed this fish wire through this front hole. And then we're just going to pull it out of the access hole. We're going to go ahead and put the block on first and slide that through. We'll put that carriage bolt on there, and since we already have the block in there, then we'll go ahead and pull it through. All right, now we're gonna do a reverse fish wire through the rear hole. Go ahead and put our block on first and hold that steady with your hand there. And then we're gonna go ahead and screw on our carriage bolt right here. We're gonna put that in first. And then we're going to go ahead and slide that block in there as well. And then just go ahead and pull it down. We're going to go ahead and repeat on the driver's side. We're going to go ahead and put the block on first and slide that through. And now we'll go ahead and attach the carriage bolt onto the fish wire and push that through as well. And then we're going to go ahead and leave the fish wires on. Next, we're going to go ahead and trim the lower bumper fascia on both sides. Follow the trim diagram provided in the install sheet. And we're going to go ahead and repeat on the passenger side. Next, we're going to go ahead and put this hitch into place using our U-Haul exclusive hitch jack. If you don't have one of these guys, then you're going to have to get an extra set of hands. We're going to go ahead and take these fish wires and we're going to feed them down through the holes. Now that we got the hitch up and the bolts are going down through the hitch, we're going to go ahead and remove the fish wire, and then we're going to add our provided flange nuts, okay? We're going to go ahead and remove the fish wire now. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten and torque all of the bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. Repeat on the driver's side. Now that we have our vehicle on level ground, let's look at some measurements for your hitch accessories. This is an 1.25 inch receiver. From the pinhole to the rear bumper is 3 inches. From the ground to the top of the receiver is 11.5 inches. This will help you determine the length, rise, and drop for your hitch accessories. Now we're done installing our trailer hitch, and you're ready to have fun. Once again, my name's Erica from Northern California, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.